everybody, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, it's Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen making one thing. I am cooking. Well, technically I'm not cooking. I'm actually making a smoothie. And I'm improving my smoothie. I've been adding different stuff to my smoothie and I thought hey, I should take you along and show it to you. So this is what I'm doing. So this smoothie is my allergy-free smoothie. Corn-free, gluten-free, dairy and egg-free, sea-free, nut-free, soy-free, pretty much free stuff for all my food allergies. So what you need, so that what it look like after you fill it all up. So the base, what I do is homemade applesauce, 1 or 2 scoops of applesauce. I don't normally do carrot, but I'm doing carrot this time around. And I do 1 scoop of carrots. Carrots are really good for eyesight. And then I do 2 or 3 pieces of steamed cauliflower. This one is also steamed carrot, steamed cauliflower. Don't judge me on this. I do baby food, but apple and prune. TMI, it helped me to go bowel, so that's why I do it. And then I'm adding something new today. I'm doing the Açaí juice. It's good with apple juice. And then a dash of turmeric. You're doing turmeric, start off slow and then work your way up. Turmeric is really good for the body. And then I do 1 pill of folic acid. Folic acid, I take it for my neuropathy in my feet and my optic nerve in my eye. And what it looked like, because it's so tiny, is this. You can see that. Yeah, I can't swallow this, but I can crush it. And of course, my water. And you can do any kind of water or any kind of liquid that matters to you. And now we're mixing it. Make sure it's tight, and we're going to blend. And you're letting it on the headphone, turn it down. If you're not, then good luck. Oh, it's so pretty, like a lava lamp. I usually do 3 spins just to make sure everything is blended. Not the pretty color, but here it is. Cheers. Ooh, that is good. So if you like this, like my smoothie recipe, and I will put the ingredient down below in the description box. And you want to try it, and then maybe comment down below if you like it or not. So, see you soon, see you next time. Sorry. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'll be posting. Share with a friend because you never know who out there is dealing with what I'm going through with all my allergy and my chronic health pains. And yeah, bye.